Hello, Namaste, Namaskaram. Welcome to Satta's Kitchen. Today I am going to share Telangana delicacy Sarvapindi, which we call Tepala Chekka in Andhra also. So you just need rice flour for this dish. You don't need any marination or any kind of earlier preparation. It's very simple and it takes hardly 15 to 20 minutes. So whenever you want to make for a tea kind of snack, and even the kids will love it if you make it little crispy and little crunchy. So let's begin. I have all the ingredients right now. So let's start. The ingredients which I am showing you for Sarvapindi, in detail I am showing the ingredients. So 2 bowls, this is the measurement I have taken, 2 bowls of rice flour and 2 medium sized onions I finely sliced in slices, and you can see 3 by 4 cup of peanuts. You can take according to your taste. I've taken 4 to 5 small green chilies finely chopped, and this is Kashmiri lal red chili powder. It gives a good color, so according to your taste you can add. This is cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon, and this is chickpea, is like chana dal, which I just washed. You can soak it also, but today I didn't soak it. You can even add like that. These are the roasted sesame seeds which I add while making the dish. And this is oil, which I'll show the way how to do it later. And this is grated ginger, little turmeric, and curry leaves which I just roughly chopped, and salt to taste, and water to mix. That's it. First, take a flat bowl and add rice flour, onions, peanuts, green chilies. Add everything one by one. So cumin, turmeric, chana dal, ginger, and red chili powder. Salt according to your taste, and I'm adding little sesame seeds now. Later also I'll add. And now slowly mix. Be careful while adding water. Mix a smooth dough. Add water slowly. Make a smooth dough, adding little water slowly. It should be the dough should be easily spread on the pan. So it should be neither too hard nor too soft. It should be like this. Mix nicely all the ingredients. The water absorbs, so you can add little more water. It makes easy to spread on the pan. That's it. Just like this. We are done with the mixing the ingredients now. Everything is well mixed. Yeah. I'm taking the hard non-stick pan, which is little bit hard base. You can take the smaller one. You can take the dosha tawa also, or you can take the kadai, iron kadai. But this is more convenient to me, and it's a bigger one, so that only one also is good enough for 2 to 3 people. So I'm just spreading the oil. First you have to spread the oil. Little oil. Now I am taking the dough and just spreading it like this. I'm not making the thin one, I'm making little bit thicker one. This is the way you do. Just make it with the palms like this. Equally you have to spread now. You should not make thin or thick in the other side. Just spread it evenly. I'm spreading the entire thing. I'm doing it a bigger one, so I'm just spreading it like this. Just do it with the palms, like even in the other sides also, just press. You can turn it. So we are done with the pressing. Now make small holes like this, just like this. I do even here. So we made the hole so that it cooks evenly and nicely. So we just add little more oil, just add drops of oil on this. That's it. We just put oil, and now keep it on the stove on a medium flame, just a medium flame, and close the lid. It takes 10 to 12 minutes on a medium to low flame. Check in between, it takes another 2 to 3 minutes to cook. To get the sizzling sound, just close it. On the other side, I heated 100 ml oil, which I will pour on this to get more crispy texture. It doesn't absorb more oil, as I will take out excess oil after it is done. Sarvapindi almost it is done. You can see this is the sound you have to get. Now we are pouring the, slowly, be careful while pouring this oil. In case you are health conscious, you can skip this process, but you will miss the crunchiness. It doesn't absorb much oil, it gives a nice texture. Keep rotating so that it cooks evenly, it gets crispier. If you lower down the temperature, it absorbs oil. You need to be careful. Just rotate it on the flame, you can see the flame. As soon as you get the right texture, we'll remove that oil. So just, I think I'm almost done. Whatever I want the texture, it has come now. Take something which you can hold this. This is a way, and take out. Really absorb less oil, as you can see. Just sprinkling pure roasted sesame for more crunchy texture. You can see and hear the lovely crispy sound of sarvapindi. We call even tepala chekka in Andhra. Rest it for 2 minutes after sprinkling sesame seeds and serve hot for snack time. So we are done with our recipe sarvapindi. If you genuinely like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on my channel. Thanks for watching.